Hi guys, this is Guillermo from Guglatech, and today we will describe you how to install our latest air filter for the Hondas Africa Twin 650, 750 and also the Transalp 600 from the early generation. We tried as always to make the best air filter in the world, and obviously we succeeded. What was the problem with the original filter? Well, everything is together. This flange is very delicate, so it's hard to have a spare with you. The paper is delicate. Whenever it's overloaded with sand or dust, it will start to break because of the suction of the engine. And also the seals, everything is foam, and if you can see here, the foam has disappeared because it's too brittle, it doesn't last. What did we do? We created a cartridge, extremely robust, it's indestructible, it's 3 layers of steel plus our special matrix, and an ultra thick foam at the bottom, which will keep sealing against the slip at the bottom in any condition. You can apply some grease, it's recommended in case you go for really heavy sand and fine dust, but otherwise it will seal perfectly. Mounting is very easily made with our laser cut aluminium plate, which is very, very robust, you can't bend it, and it comes in the as part of the kit. You will receive the laser cut beam, the foam adhesive to make the seal at the bottom, and stainless steel screws. We believe that the original ones are too short for the application, so we provided new ones. What you have to do, there is a logo on one side, beautiful, ain't it? And the other one is where you will attach the adhesive foam. Just clean it with some alcohol, paper, that's it. And then I'm sure you will do a much better job than me, simply cutting it and making sure that it's covering this lip here. Don't cover the holes, it's not necessary. Mounting of the filter, quite easy. Oh, remember, if you want to go for a desert or a heavy sand or fine dust, or you want to travel around the world, we recommend oiling the filter. We use a fluid which is specifically designed to be washable in water. It's a great product and we like it very much. A spray just on the outside, not inside, it's not necessary. You don't have to soak the filter. A light spraying will be more than enough for our matrix. Mounting on the filter, quite easy. Once you have prepared these, just put the filter, the cartridge, in the middle, so to copy exactly the lip at the bottom, and apply the flange following the threads. Now, when you close it, do not just tighten only one at once, but try to follow the usual pattern that you use to close up all the flanges and gaskets. This will allow the perfect closure and the correct compression of the seal. So you put one, you put the other, and you put the third. Now, just doing the usual cross pattern, you will screw down everything. Do not compress maximum. Remember, it's not necessary, it's foam, it's neoprene, it doesn't need to be compressed or bent or anything. And that's it, ready. Now with this you can travel for many thousands of kilometers, full safety, engine running much better because we didn't give you more air. We just give you the right quantity to allow the engine to run smoother, sort of a better torque. Bike is ready. If you oil it, you can travel around the world. Washing is very simple in some warm water and some dish soap or some light soap. And once dry, you can just oil it again and dry. This filter will last for many thousands of kilometers. It's not forever, but it will last as long as a bike. Thank you so much. If you liked the video, thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and follow us. We will have many products for your bike, and we have the best technology. Thank you so much. This is Guglatech.